Hello folks, John here at E.C.D Automotive Design down in Kissimmee, Florida. Today I want to talk to you about what makes a $300,000 E.C.D Custom Defender 110 worth its price. Of course, to begin with, we do a full restoration in all of our vehicles, meaning that no spot on the car is left untouched. So we disassemble, of course, the base vehicles that we received and build them completely from scratch. So essentially, although you may own a 1995 or a 2000 Defender 110 in paper, the end result, of course, is a brand new vehicle. The nice thing about it too, of course, is that the quality of materials that we use, and what we learned, of course, over the past 12-13 years, is that you really have to make these vehicles right, not only to withstand time, but also to provide our clients with a more reliable, efficient, and durable vehicle. So the materials, of course, that we utilize in our cars are top tier. We don't cut corners. We like to use the absolute best for every option, whether it's mechanical, aesthetic, etc. Now, we do, of course, offer enhancements to our vehicles if folks would like to take them to the next level. But just to begin with, the type of leathers, the European hides that we use for all of our cars, the electronics, wire harnesses, etc. that we use in these, and of course the latest in technology that is applicable to this particular vehicles, it's always going to be the best. As you go through a journey and you build your vehicle, you personalize it, there are certain things that some folks may like to include in their cars to make them their own, and the level of personalization, of course, that we do in our vehicles in here is very special. Now, of course, the type of seats, flooring material, headliner that you may pick will have an influence on cost, but there's also 2,200 hours that go in labor for completing one of our vehicles. That is an important component, of course, in the overall cost of the car. This is tailored by hand, put together by a team here in Kissimmee, Florida, and making, of course, every detail count. So in other words, our folks in upholstery dedicate their team to the interiors of the vehicles, same thing with powertrain, etc. Every area of the car is really well planned, executed, and the end result, of course, will speak for itself. Now, paint is also a very important component and an item that we really pride ourselves on doing in-house here at E.C.D, and we want to make sure that the quality of our paint rivals those of Ferraris and Lamborghinis alike. We use PPG Deltron products, which are phenomenal. Now, whether you like to go with an OEM color or do a paint to sample, of course, the quality will be there, and we always strive to make these a vehicle that will look brand new as it comes off the line. Now, of course, when you break down all the components and all the elements that go into building this vehicle, if you were to make all of this happen together at home, it'll probably cost you a lot more than $300,000. However, the ability to have a coach custom builder like E.C.D build your vehicle from scratch would allow you to have an incredible value and the best possible product in the end. So if you have any questions about our custom builds or would like to find out more about our process, you know where to find us. Bye for now.